Hi everyone, I'm Alistair. Welcome to Menlo's headquarters. Today I'm going to be going over the long-awaited FoxEss Energy Cube. So if you're an installer, this is a great video for you because I'm going to be telling you exactly why this is a great solution. This is a really elegant storage solution because it's completely stackable, so you don't need any additional cables, making it really quick and easy to install. If you've seen our unboxing video, you'll know that each master battery comes with its own integrated BMS system, and each master battery can support up to 6 slave batteries like these ones here, offering an impressive 33 kilowatts of potential storage. If you didn't catch that video, you can watch it here. There are 4 different battery capacities to choose from, which gives you great versatility when doing an installation. FoxEss has a fantastic online community where you can ask questions if something goes wrong. It's very likely that someone has already encountered your problem and figured out a way to solve it. If you can't find the answer online, FoxEss has international technical support, so you can always talk to someone and get the answers that you need. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new. If you'd like to show a video that's more appropriate for your customers to help sell this product, you can check this video out here. If you'd like to look at any of our other videos, you can see them in the description. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Stop! Don't go anywhere. If you've enjoyed this video, why not join us on the Menlo Roadshow, where you can see these products in real life. We're probably coming to a city near you. Check the description down below to register now. Bye-bye.